이렇게 망가져 그만할래 이제 나 안 가져 못하겠어 뭐 같아서 제발 핑계 같은 걸 삼가줘.
Alright, so I got finally my Amazon BT21 keychains. I'm so excited to open this. Because of how like shady Amazon was, I had to order it separately twice. I don't really know if it charged me the extra $15 for shipping or not, but whatever. I got my keychains. I got everyone but Cookie and Rj, just because I was planning to get their standing doll versions. I already have Cookie, which I showed you, and then Rj, I didn't get it because it was sold out. So, let's open this bad boy up. I'm gonna open, which was this? I'm gonna open Tata and Koya first. Oh gosh, I already see the box. By the way, the whole cute little lion characters tape. Oops, that's cute too. I am so bad at like opening boxes, I swear to God. And plus I'm really excited. So I'm even like more, oh gosh, okay. Actually I'm gonna open both because I can just show it to you all at once instead of having to like open one box at a time and then you see me struggle. Hopefully without making them fall. Here's how it was packaged. There's low-key like no safety whatsoever. Like I would expect maybe like styrofoam or something in it, like bubble wrap, but nope. So I hope the boxes are safe because I'm the type that is very picky about the boxes because I like them to be in perfect condition. But anyways, see, like it just has, like, I don't know what the even is. Oh, I guess it's to make it not scratch proof. Okay, well, I'm ripping it anyways. Oh, actually, the box is not that bad. I just would have preferred it to be, you know, in styrofoam or bubble wrap. But here's Tata. It's pretty cute. Can't really read the Korean. It says not to be removed until delivered to the customer. It says Tata on the front. Let's see if I can focus it a bit for you guys. Tata. Now I'm really blurry. That's okay. Here's Koya. It's a little bit backwards. This is how he looks. Mang, back, cute little Mang here. I'll unbox them as well, from like remove them from the packaging. Jimmy, he looks so cute. Jimmy, the back. Oh, he's so bright. Here's Van. I also wanted to get him in the standing doll, but I figured the keychain is good enough. And he's actually really, really cute. You know, I'm actually using him for my backpack. And then I got Shooky as a key ring or a back charm as well. I wanted to get his the bigger version, but Amazon didn't sell that. So he's really small, but he's still really cute. He's Shooky. Like if you wanted to compare him box-wise, like look at that. It's so big. And then compared to, let me go grab my 42 centimeter. Oh, it's a little bit blurry, but like look at this. It's like almost, he's so small. Okay, we're back in focus, I think. All right. Okay, let's see. How am I going to open these? This whole video is gonna be me struggling to like get these out. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Ah! He's so soft. Tata! Tata! Aw, he has like little dots and everything on him. He's really, really cute. Really, really, really cute. I wanted to get these out because I don't want that in here. Oh, he's so soft. Alright, I'm gonna put you back in the box. Whew, these boxes are a struggle. Oh, the lighting. The sun disappeared. Oh, this is Koya. Cute baby Koya. If I could focus him. Nice. This is Koya. She's really cute. These are pretty good quality. They're like very, can't tell if you can tell, but metallic. He's very soft. His little nose is really cute. It's really cute. Honestly, I wanted to get all of them as standing dolls or pillows, but they're really expensive. So I went for the cheapest ones and I got all of them as keychains. But honestly, with the money I spent, I might as well just have bought the pillows. He's so cute! Oh my god, this is Mang. Oh, my parents are home. Look at how cute he is. Oh my god, his little nose. He looks a little lopsided in this keychain, but that's really cute. He's really cute. Oh gosh. This is Chimmy. Chimmy's so cute and so soft as well. They're all so soft. Oh, I really love Chimmy. Chimmy's so cute. Okay. The army. Oh, he's so cute as well. He's so soft. And yeah, it says like, you can't really see it. It says van on it. He's so small. Look at how small Shooky is. Oh my god. Compared. Man, I don't have RJ to compare it with, but like, look at the size of Shooky. He's so small and cute. Aww. And he feels really different. The texture. Definitely, probably similar to the pillow, but I'm not sure. I was gonna get a pillow of him, but I didn't. He's so cute. Can you see them?